Welcome to Trading Lounge and the Indian Report. We'll probably cover, I want to have a look at the Nikkei and China as well, so we'll have a look at those. So Nifty, we've got wave 1 and 2 here, then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 here. This is a little bit dodgy within here, counting 5 waves, so we may have to readdress that. I was looking for this to pull back a little bit further here for this wave 4, but it does appear that we're getting an impulse wave in this little move here. So it looks like we'll have to start looking at being long. And of course, this level here, the 11,500, which is a medium level, halfway between two major levels here, is important, and we can use it as support, but it would be nice to move in a little bit earlier. But let's just go in and check it out. So yeah, so first of all, to count this down here, we've got an impulse wave here, but it's a bit tricky to count it as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 here. We may have to do that, but the trouble is wave 4 really overlaps wave 1 here, so it's probably better off counted as an A and a B and a C wave into this space here, with 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 finishing off here. But the thing that really grabs my attention is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, then an A and a B and a C pattern back here for this. So it does appear that we've got an impulse wave here. Yes, it is possible that you could look at this in terms of an A wave to here, and then an A wave to here, and a B wave to here, and a C wave to here. So that's also possible as well. So let's just do that. So we could, as I mentioned, put the A wave here, the B wave here, and a C wave here for a B wave here. But the thing I don't like about that is that this move down through here, it doesn't really look like it's impulsive as such. So now that it's in Asia time, it's after just after 8 o'clock in Sydney. So futures markets are opening. So they have opened a little bit stronger. This I'll just blank this out here because I don't think it's the case because of this particular little pattern that I'm seeing in here. But I just need to make you aware of it because wave 4s get a little bit uglier. You know, the safe trade here, this gap might be covered as well. The safe trade here would be seeing this market move up and creating the first high above the level, and then your ABC pattern, and then trading long from that point. So that's your safe trade. Let me just check on this a little bit further. Let's just assume for a moment that this pulls back here to cover this gap here. Then it would leave this one here as a high above the level. So we could just remove that and copy that, put that here, just give that a little bit of time. It'll probably want to try and fill that gap. And we could put in half a position here for this, and then look to add on this level here. That would make a little bit more sense, wouldn't it? So I'll just leave that with you. So we'd need to see like some sort of, it doesn't have to cover the gap, but make an effort to cover the gap, and then click us in on that side there. So I'll just leave that at that. Of course, this could be counted differently here, as I mentioned, but what triggers us off here is seeing this impulse wave to the upside here. Let's just have a look. The Nikkei I want to have a look at first, because this count was pretty straightforward, because we'd seen this correction here, as you know, an impulse wave here, an A and a B and a C here somewhere, and some sort of 5-wave structure down here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we noted. So we could go long above that high. It's taken its time though, hasn't it? You know, but it's sort of getting there, and it'll look a little bit better today by the looks of it if Monday's normally the bullish day, so we'll see that sort of follow through there. But that's looking all quite good there. So that's it, seeing Asia have some strength is a good thing, isn't it? You know, for the other Asian countries, and also we'll just have a quick look at China. I'd have to pull that apart to see if I can see that quickly on the 1 hour, or maybe even smaller, just to get that right. Well, it's three ways so far, as an A and a B, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here for that. This could be 4 here and have another little move down, because what I was trying to think of here, not that we trade this, but you can go long above the 1550 there, 15,500. What I was trying to work out is that is this wave 1 and ABC back for wave 2, or do we have 5 waves down here, and then it becomes this wave 4 comes over here as an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave here. I'm not quite sure here for that, but as I just mentioned then, if you want to go long, then that's 5, 8, 7 there. That's way above the 15,500. I'll just put that there. So if you get a tested support there, then you can go from that point. So I'm not quite sure how that's going to finish off, but that will be good to go up into this space here for that. This trend is not finished yet. This is a wave 4. I just don't know if it's here or here at this stage. So we'll see. Alrighty, I'm just going to leave it at that for those markets. Alrighty, thanks for tuning in. Cheers.